Scan the map here. Alright, here's my map. Alright, and I'm right there by the entrance and exit. So got a lot of stuff to see and not a lot of time. Like maybe 2 hours here. Going to the African savannah. Looks like the elephants are, oh, rhinoceros is gone for the day. Check out the Lego bald eagle there. Oh, I hear a cardinal. There he is. Recognize that chirp from my last visit. Yeah, so those who definitely don't know who I am, I'm just a Utah boy coming out here for work. And I got a little bit of time to burn here, so I got the Zoolanta zoo. Haven't been here before. I have just about 2 hours to spend before I need to head off. It's the African elephant. So there's two right there. Well, there was two. It moved over there. There's three inside here from what they were saying. Feels good. I think it's like 85 degrees today, and it's obviously humid. You know, coming from Utah, we get that dry heat. You know, if you've been to Las Vegas, it's basically that. So these elephants, they're from Zambia. Yeah, I'm sure this is busy, like on the weekends and stuff, but this is just a Monday, kind of the closing hours, but I have it all to myself, I guess. And this entire habitat is for the meerkats. Check out the Legos. And I do love me some Legos. That's cool. Check out the rabbits too. You can see the two cardinals up there. You got a female and a male. The male is the bright red one, and that's the female. I guess in the bird world, the less colorful ones are the females, and the males are the brighter colors. Kind of interesting. I guess males just have to try harder, you know, do a little dance, impress these young ladies. This is the viewing room. This is where they go to, I think at night. A lot of AC though. Whew, it's humid. If I was an elephant or a huge animal, I would just play underneath that water all day. Be close to it. That's a hot life. Let's go check out the giraffes. We got some zebras down there. Got the giraffes and some ostriches. They're hissing at me. There's the giraffes, I think, feeding over there. So along the way, there's some blue cranes. They live in South Africa. Check that out. They're pretty majestic looking. And then that one looks like a dinosaur. That's called the Cory Bustard. And blue crane, Cory Bustard. Call him the Plains Zebra. Plains Zebra. So is it a zebra with black stripes, or is it a zebra with white stripes? That's the question, right? That's from the movie Madagascar. Now we're going to this scaly, slimy, spectacular this way. Ooh, an impressed tortoise. He must be very impressed. Slither on in, y'all. Uh-oh, I'm getting scared. There's two of them up there. Two copperheads.
That's how big it actually is. Isn't it crazy? Yes, it's North America.
That was a small little exhibit. We'll move on to this next one up here. Oh, cool. These are pretty cool. They're like pocket-sized turtles.
Yeah. They're so cute.
Yeah.
Is it true that some snakes kill the birds in the nest to live with it?
Oh, there's two of them. See them? On the grass eating. And also the one in the water. Gorillas. Oh, chipmunk scared me. Yeah, I don't see anything. Looks like birds and butterflies and geckos. Living treehouse.
Oh, so you actually walk in. Shit, I don't know about this one. Shit, I already went up to it.
Yeah.
I'll try not to run. They can't get to us. They can't get out. They can't get to us.
Birds just all over. I think this is a gorilla viewing platform just right up here. Check that out, Sublime. And that tree house I was just in is just over there. And this is on the other side looking into it. Ooh, sun bear and tiger terrace. This is the Asian forest. Right down there. That's a sun bear. Where's the tiger? There's the tiger. He's walking. He's right at the base of the fence there. Here we go. Bears of the world. Endangered is giant panda. At risk is the Andean bear, Asiatic black bear, Malayan sun bear, polar bear, and sloth bear. Stable is brown bear and the American black bear. All over Asia. It's panting.
Bye. Okay, let's go. Open his eyes. Get away from me.
What's that? It's just the summer, same thing.
That one was eating and sleeping. Look at it. What was he doing? What was he doing?
I was like doing some weird shit.
Like what?
Man,
Look at it.
It said good morning.
Yeah, it's good morning
See,
now.
got a little ball right here. There I go.
It's kind of small. Yeah, that's
Come,
a
come
baby.
down. He's really not graceful at all. He's a big ass.
Oh, that's a good one. Those are socially. Look at it.
I'm copying the other panda. I'm copying the other panda.
Was it cool?
Alright, got 15 more minutes before they kick me out here. This takes me back to the main entrance, so just looking at the map. Like, it's a kind of decently sized zoo from what I've seen. Actually, I did see all of it, but so about an hour and a half worth if you're, I guess, by yourself. Date wise, you could probably spend like 2 hours. There's some pigs. I'm sure the animals love it when all the humans are gone. They're like, ah, finally peace and quiet. That's what I think. There's like a treetop adventure you can pay for. This is additional, like, I think like $10. Like a zip line course, kind of. Not a zip line, but it's just an obstacle course where you're in a harness and stuff. I think my favorite zoo so far, I've been to 4 zoos, so that's not saying a ton, but I've been to Salt Lake, which is called Hogle Zoo, been to San Diego Zoo, Atlanta Zoo, in Indianapolis in Indiana, that zoo. And so far San Diego has been my favorite. As there's so much to see, but also it's pretty expensive. I think each ticket's like $100. So $30 in comparison for here, not too bad. All right, see you later from Atlanta, Georgia.